Hi guys, I'm Tips. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to connect data validation in Excel to a specific range. I have this users table here where I have some random people's names and I need to fill out each person's country. Now I want the country's value to have a drop down arrow linked to this range right here. To get started, I'm going to click Ctrl Shift down arrow on my keyboard to select all of the cells. I'm going to press Ctrl T and hit OK to turn that into a structured table. With this table selected, I'm going to click on Table Design. This menu just appeared after I turned that range into a table. And under table name, let's give it a more logical name, something like Countries TBL, and press Enter. That's going to turn that table's name into Countries TBL. Now I need to fix this cell color real quick, so I'm going to select everything once again, click on Home, and under Theme Colors I'm going to choose No Fill. Okay, and if I want to, I can even change the coloring into something more desirable by going into Home, Format as Table, and just choose the formatting that I like. Now when I want to connect this with data validation, I need to know the syntax. The syntax is going to be indirect, open bracket, quotation mark, name of destination range, quotation mark, close bracket. So to get this range correctly, I'm going to press a random cell like this one, hit the equal sign, and let's just use a random formula to select the right range from the new table I just created. I'm going to use the count A formula. Any formula would work here, and then open bracket, and I'm going to select this cell here, Algeria, because I don't want the word countries to show up in my drop down menu. I just want it to start from Algeria. So I select Algeria, Ctrl Shift down to select everything, and then close bracket, and then I'll hit Enter. So now the formula is entered correctly, and more importantly, I have figured out the correct way to write the range that I want to include in my data validations. I'm going to copy that range and escape out. Now back in indirect, I'm going to replace XXX here. I'm going to do Ctrl V to paste in the range that I have just copied, the range name that I have just copied. I hit Enter. Alright, so this is the correct syntax. I'm going to select everything, Ctrl C to copy, and back in my users table, this is now the heavy work that I need to do. I'm going to select all of the cells that I want to have the drop down arrow applied to. On my keyboard, I'm going to do Alt A V V to go to data validation. Under Allow, I'm going to choose List, and under Source, I'm going to do Ctrl V to paste in the value that I have just copied. Now, before the word indirect, I will need to put in an equal sign. So I'm going to put my cursor right here and do an equal sign and hit OK. As you can see, we are now having an arrow, and if I select it, you can see that I can choose the countries that are coming from the countries table. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.